Paige Leanne. So I'm here today doing a video that is way overdue. Last time I told y'all that I was going to tell y'all this new method that I had been doing other than the rice water, and that was back in June if I'm not mistaken. It was when I did my straightening and length check on me using the rice water for a year and a half. If you're just now watching this video and not familiar with my channel, I did the rice water for a whole year using it once a week. I know a few people are gonna be like, oh, that's too much protein. It worked just fine on my hair. My hair was not brittle. My hair was not breaking out. So obviously my hair needed the protein. I'm not saying that for everybody else because I know everybody's hair is different. It worked for me. I'm not saying for y'all to go use it once a week. I'm not saying for y'all to use 2 times a week or every day, because people do what they want to do with their hair. It may work, it may not. Everybody's hair is different. You have to find out what works for you and enhance it and then do it. You know, if it works for you, just do it. Don't focus on the next YouTuber and the next person's doing this with their hair, so I'm gonna try to do it. Just do what works for your hair. And that's definitely what this video is about, because I came up with this idea myself. I ended up Googling and searching a lot. And like I said, a few months ago, I just wanted to be different. I wanted to find something that wasn't on YouTube, that somebody wasn't doing, and do it. You know, I feel like I did the rice water. Now it's kind of everybody's doing the rice water. So yeah, I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna mix something up here. You know, I'm gonna get up in the kitchen and be a, you know, scientist. Okay, anywho, that is what this video is about. I figured I would show y'all this new method that I have been doing, and I feel like my hair has gotten so much growth, thickness. I feel like my curl definition, curl pattern, all that stuff is just popping since I've been using it. Stay tuned to figure out what this method is. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Definitely be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And share. Please share. I'm the first one doing this on YouTube. Like, y'all seen it here first. Paige Leanne. Continue to watch. So first, I'm starting off with fermented rice water. It has been fermenting for about 3 days now, so I decided it was definitely time to go ahead and use it. And it does smell bad, of course, because that's just rice water, but we're going to get it all smelling good in a minute here. So I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of organic ground flax seeds. If you don't know about these, they are really, really good for hair growth. They have a lot of great benefits. They have omega-3 fatty acids that help to strengthen the hair strands, and also even like basically put like protection on your hair strands to even make them stronger and healthier. And the list goes on. It has vitamin E, which of course we all know vitamin E is great for your nails, your hair, your skin. Yes, so it's really good to consume this by mouth and put it directly on your scalp and hair. So I will also be adding this to like smoothies and my oatmeal just to get some into my system from that way. And next, I will be taking and adding maca root. Maca root has a lot of great benefits as well. I will just be using 1 peel. This is all natural. This is a natural plant, herb. So it's nothing, you know, harsh or anything in that nature. But it has a lot of things to do with your hormone balance and stress. So a lot of people I know do have hair loss issues when it comes to that. So I figure, what the heck, I'm going to put directly on my scalp and hair. You can also take them by mouth just like a vitamin. So I will be doing that as well. And of course, peppermint oil to circulate, get that blood circulating and stimulate the scalp for major hair growth. And then I'm just adding 1 cup of 8-ounce warm water to basically warm this up since it has been in the refrigerator. Mix it all together, and I'm going to attempt to pour it into a spray bottle. I did make a mess, and we will go ahead and start applying. Okay, y'all, so disregard my hair because like I said, I had my hair like this for 15 days now. I just shampooed and conditioned it. It feels so good, clean, all that good stuff. So yeah, here is the rice water, the new improved rice water mixture. It looks almost like orange juice, kind of, but with a whole bunch of bits and pieces floating around. Okay, so I like to just start off with, of course, my hair already sectioned off. That's the good thing about me doing this long-term protective styling. And just clip away a section at a time. And then I just focus on the roots. I don't even take my twists down. So I just focus on the roots and spray it directly on my roots is what I like to start off doing. So just a heads up, the spray bottle method does not work with this. I think it's a little too thick or something with the Flex seeds because I know they can be used to make a hair gel. So I definitely think that has something to do with it. This was my first attempt using the spray bottle. Usually I just do the inversion way and using 2 bowls and repeating that way, dumping it over my head. Just a tip, don't try it in the spray bottle. I almost tore up 2 spray bottles trying this. So once I have it all applied to my hair, my scalp, I feel satisfied with massaging it into my scalp really well. And y'all, I couldn't record the whole thing because it can be a little messy. This is basically just water. So it does get runny and try to go everywhere. So I do like to do this over my sink. But once I've done all that, I just like to take and put my hair up, clip it, and I'm going to just use a plastic bag and tie up my hair. And I know somebody else asked about with it running everywhere, how do you do as far as that? I like to just take an old long sock and tie it around the perimeter of the bag or shower cap. You can also use a scarf, a bandana. You can cut off the part of a bandana and use it. So it's a lot of ways to keep the water from coming all on your face and all on your back. Trust me, I know from experience, the first time I did rice water, I literally had to take a shower because it got all over me. So I will be back and basically just show y'all when I rinse it out how my hair looks, and I'm going to retwist my hair up and go for another 14, 15 days, how many every day. So here is the finished look. I have no product on my hair whatsoever. I just went ahead and took down this section so y'all could see what I'm talking about. That curl definition is popping with no curl cream, no leave-in, nothing. So I just wanted to show y'all that. And I'm going to go ahead and finish up with my Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner cream that I always use. I swear by that stuff. And this time I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to use Jamaican Black castor oil for my scalp. And then I'm going to seal my ends with 100% African shea butter. So really just trying to lock that moisture in my hair. So when these 14, 15 days or so is up, my hair will not be dry or won't be too dry at all. I've been doing good succeeding with not having my hair too dry. So yeah, that's been a good thing. So here is the finished look. I like to just lightly do the banding method, but these aren't even as stretched out as it can be stretched. I just like to not have it too tight and have too much tension on my hair, but I do like to stretch them out a little bit when I first do them. And then I just take, and this is another good way, I just pin one side all the way to the other. And then I just do the exact same thing to this side. I wrap it as tight and as far over as I can. So now I just take and let my hair air dry. If I'm going out somewhere, I put on a baseball cap, or I put on one of my bonnets, a scarf, any other method to just cover it up. But that is it. So I hope y'all like this video. Definitely be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely share these videos as well. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.